Sydney has a lot to say this morning. Are you talking? Are you talking to Mommy? What were you saying? What were you saying? That's right. That's right. What else? What else were you saying?